Alright, what's up YouTube? So I got in the brand new Vision 12 tub rodent system here. So it came in 5 different packages. One package came a few days ago. Then yesterday 3 packages came. And then today the most important package came with all the levels here. But yep, here's the oh, and guess what else it came with? No instructions. I should say what it didn't come with. Any instructions at all. But whatever, I think I can figure it out. Or I'm sure maybe instructions are on their website, but they're just like, hey, we just figured it out. You expect us to send you freaking instructions? But I don't know. Here's the poles that they sent me. So I just basically gotta get them together. And then here's like the plastic levels. And then here's the stainless. Here's the stainless steel. 6 real nice stainless steel. They gave me all the accessories here. All the water bottle holders and nozzles and all the extra little things I got. Big old casters. And one of the boxes literally had this Vision 70 tub in it as a spacer, just for like cushioning in case the box got banged around. This would break and not my stuff. But luckily it came, and I noticed there's like a little lip on the edge, and I think it was just like a molding issue, so they junked it and put it in my box, and I have a free 70 tub which fits in these racks. So thanks Vision. Made me wait for weeks and weeks for this, but gave me something. And then they give you all the spacers. Here's the spacers. No instructions, but I'm pretty sure I can figure it out. I mean, it's kind of dummy proof. And then I got 12 of these tubs. Right now, because of the pandemic, there's some kind of weird shortage on clear plastic, so they'll charge you more if you order clear plastic. So until that fiasco is cleared up, you're gonna have to order these gray tubs here. But pretty nice. I'll get this up on the tripod, and we'll start putting it together for you guys to show you. I think I'm going to be the first one on YouTube to show a tutorial on how to put this together. Let's do it. Alright, so the first thing, since there's no instructions, I guess I'll go step by step. The first thing you'll notice is you'll get 6 poles with these male ends. And then you'll get 6 poles with these on either side. These freaking things. And it'll confuse you at first, because you'll be like, what the heck, where does these screw in? But you actually have to unscrew one side. Just one hand. You have to take these things out. Try to do it one-handed. Oh, just like that. So you have to actually unscrew that before you screw it in. Yeah, so before you screw these casters in, make sure that these are screwed. See how this one's loose here? Make sure these are screwed all the way tight. But I went to go do that. If you see, this one here is flush. This one here is flush. I go to do that on this one, and if you look, whoever at the factory they frickin' cross-threaded this fucking thing and just jammed it fucking in there. So now it's not actually set all the way in, but it's, you can't tighten it, or I don't know, dude. It's, fuck it, I'll just screw it in. But it's kind of annoying though. It's like, dude, Come on. Don't just jam shit in there if it's fucking not straight. Straighten the bitch out. Put it in right. Alright you guys, so for this part, a little trick. So here's the bottom level, or what I'm going to make the bottom level. And these poles have to go through these holes. And it's a pretty tight fit. So take some Dawn, put it in some water, and lube these poles up. Lube these suckers right up so they glide right on in. Slip in nice and deep into these holes. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, just fucking grease these bad boys up and it's gonna make your life a lot easier. A little tipper. Okay guys, so yeah, that one's so easy. I tried to put it through these holes without any soap water on the poles, and it's almost like impossible. And I held it like sideways like this and just slid the pole, and then I'm just using my rack because it's got levels every few inches. I'm just using my rack to help me prop it up, so I can just do this pretty much by myself. I'm gonna slide the rest of the poles all the way through. Show you guys, basically you can do this on your own, you know, use what you got. Alright you guys, so as you can see, I've gotten 3 of the poles in. I flipped it around so that these are facing up, and as you can see, I'm all lubed up here. So watch how easy this goes. Come on, don't make me a fool out of myself. There we go. So you can, even with soap, it's gonna be a little bit tight, but there we go. So boom, all the way, using the rack just to support it a little bit, and on to the next one. So yep, that's how easy it is with the soap. And when I'm done, I should be able to stand this thing up, and after you get this first level on, it should be a lot easier after that, guys. Alright guys, see, just like that, boom, we got our first level on. And here's our spacers, so I'm just going to take these spacers and they should just flop right down on there. Let's do 6 of these. This carpet is absolutely disgusting. Alright, so now we're coming over. We're gonna move these all out of the way. Alright, and here is the stainless steel. This is why I bought these. It's because of this design right here. So this is the next thing to go. Alright you guys, I've got a few levels on. I screwed the top holes on. That's another good tip. Don't screw the poles together at first, actually. And yep, so here's what it looks like. I haven't gotten any of the stops or anything on yet, but it's pretty cool so far. Keep going. Just wanted to show you guys a quick update on how she's looking. Yeah, and the soap water made this like really easy. Hell yeah. Alright guys, so yeah, I learned this the hard way. I found these little things. Yeah, you have to put these on, and then the washer goes right on top, and then you slide this down and line it up with the hole, and this is what holds this top level down. So this is how it's done right here. Screw it down, and when I tighten this down, it'll push down on this and hold that bitch down. So yeah, let me do that on these 6 and that will be done, and I'll just have the accessories to add. Yep. And the washer. And just get it in the line it up so it goes in that hole. And bam. Real easy. can see why there wasn't any instructions. You kind of can figure it out on your own. Super simple. Alright YouTube, it's all done here, pretty much. I'll show you guys when I have animals in it and stuff, but these stoppers here are the most tedious part of this whole thing, because I put all the stoppers on the back. I also put some for this 70 tub. So yes, it does fit both 70s and these style. So right now I got 10 of these tubs. But yeah, pretty sweet. Only thing I don't care for, really, I can already tell, is how the food trough design is. Like, there's all this solid metal around that there's going to be mad food left over. So I'm probably going to end up like sticking some plastic around here just to keep all the food in there. But other than that, a little bit of like food wasting design that they have, it seems perfect. Put some water balls in it and show you guys how that works. Here's all the water bottle holders. They just slide out and slide back. So super easy, and I put stoppers on the front, so I mean, I didn't. Not the most perfect system, but works. Alright you guys, it's all done. So water bottle holders just look like this. They slide. You just kind of line them up with the water bottle hole. Went to Walmart and just bought me 12 bottles of smart water, like this size. Let's see how much these are. A liter, I believe. Yeah, a liter of water each. And the food grates are actually a lot better than I thought. With the ARS racks here, this grate style is a little bit smaller, and it's actually harder for the animals to get the food. This like locks the food in, like, I don't know, it has a lot more grip, this grate style, on the food. So I don't think it's actually going to move around as much as I thought, and I think, you know, they know what they're doing. They designed it pretty well. But loving it so far. I got mice in these three. I got ASF, and then what I love about this rack is it has all. I have these little wheels fit in here too, you guys. Right here, these wheels. And I definitely recommend putting them in for ASFs if you have ASFs, because they need a lot of energy. And I'll show you this side, so you also can come to the side of it and put a 70 series in. You can't open it very much because the nozzle is blocking it. You have to actually take that water ball out down there to open it up all the way. So I'll just show you these cute little guys here. So really excited. Like, this is gonna really save me a lot of time and energy, you guys. I have like 2 empty tubs up there. Love the watering system. Like I said before, I am gonna get water lines and do the bottles plus the water lines, just so that, like, worst case scenario, let's say I want to go on vacation for a week, like, now I literally can do that. If once I get water lines and put a 5-gallon bucket, I can go on vacation for a week and make sure all my rats and all my snakes are good, and should be good. I haven't been able to go on vacation in years. So I've been grinding and grinding and grinding. Nothing's up here yet, but down here I got some rats and their babies. Put a little chew block in each. But yeah, tubs are really nice. about that deep, so plenty of room. I got little chew blocks in each of them. But very, very good purchase. I think I'm going to be the first one to really do a review on these, so I'm really loving the rodent setup now. But rat shed will be coming by spring of 2022 at the latest, but not very much space to have to worry about. So I'm still gonna get a good size shed though, a good size shed. Yeah, YouTube, just wanted to show the Vision 12 tub 6 high system. You can either fit 12 of these tubs or 6 70 tubs in this, whatever you want. So it's super versatile. It's gonna save you a lot of food and save you a lot of time watering. I was watering these mice and ASFs every single day because I was using those little small water bottles, and they were in the glass tanks and they were pissing and shitting all over the water bottles. And this is just so much more sanitary. Like, people are like, not as much room and stuff. Yeah, but I mean, if you get those little wheels and stuff and get them some tunnels or some tubes to run around, and I get them all hides. They all have hides, so yeah, Vision 12 tub, brand new rodent racks. Freaking sweet. Thanks for checking it out, guys. Later.